Hello, this is a very quick introduction to a series I want to make about LaTeX, basically showing every concept from the basics, just coded from scratch. You can also use templates, which I do all the time when I'm against a very tight deadline, but it's also cool to know the concepts. The difference with something like Word, just know that Word is a what you see is what you get system. You basically write what you're getting at the end. But with LaTeX, you write just the commands and then the compiler makes what will be the final product. Word is very good and it's on many platforms, but it is also paid and not on every platform. LaTeX, on the other hand, has free implementations and it can be pretty much everywhere. If it isn't somewhere, it will be ported. Now, don't get scared by what I'm doing in the background. Many people use online compilers, so you don't even have to install anything. For example, here I'm compiling an example I made. This is Overleaf, one of the many online compilers. And as you can see, it's like once the code is made, you only have to click on recompile and you get everything. Here we have circuits, plots, tables, figures, code snippets that you can actually select the text. It's not like a picture or anything. You can just say, oh, I want this code file to be embedded into my document. So that's pretty cool. Pretty much everything that is text you can actually select. It's very well formatted. Well, aside from using those online compilers, you can also use programs, separate programs. For example, TextMaker is very good. I think it's very new, and as you can see, it's very straightforward. Just clicking on compile and you get the PDF viewer. And then finally, you can use the terminal. Like, don't get scared, it's just one of the options, you don't have to. But as you can see, with only 3 commands, I compile the code and then finally just open a PDF viewer. So the idea of this series is basically that I will make very quick videos just on each separate subject of the basics, and you can rewatch it whenever you forget something, and yeah, that's basically it. See you later. Thanks.